Now I request Dr. Abhishek Pandey to felicitate our very dear Deputy Superintendent of Police Haryana. Thank you so much, sir, for gracing the event. Sir has proclaimed the President Police Gallantry Award for his remarkable contribution to the police domain. Thank you so much. I request sir to address the gathering. Pradeepji, we would like to listen from you for sure.
सर्वप्रथम आपसे भी नमस्कार। एक्चुअली मेरा गला खराब हो रहा है, हॉस्पिटल मत जाना। कल ड्यूटी की नाइट थी तो टेस्ट चल रहा है, तो उसमें गला काफी खराब हो गया। मंच पर आसीन सभी गणमान्य व्यक्ति, मेरे सामने बैठे सभी मान और सभी सबसे पहले हाथ जोड़कर मेरा नमस्कार। मैं CWCIR का दिल की गहराई से धन्यवाद और आभारी हूँ कि मुझे इस मंच पर आमंत्रित किया और बड़ा ही अच्छा महसूस कर रहा हूँ। इसके साथ मैं ये भी कहना चाहूँगा, इस सम्मान आपका जो सम्मान दिया है, इससे मेरी आप सभी के प्रति और समाज के प्रति और राष्ट्र के प्रति और ज्यादा आप सभी का और मेरे साथी अभिषेक पांडे मेरे दोस्त की है, मैं आपको बताऊं, ये मेरे अच्छे मित्र हैं, काफी सालों से जानते हैं और आप सभी का दिल की गहराइयों से पुनः धन्यवाद करता हूँ जो मुझे आपसे मिले।
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request Dr. Abhishek Pandey to felicitate with the token. Sir is the advisor, CISO advisor, Cyber, Aerospace Security and Counter-Terrorism for West Asia, Middle East, Indian Facility, Defense and Paramilitary Forces. Sir is a profound lawyer who specialized in international legal litigations. Thank you so much, sir, for gracing the event. With this, we move ahead, and I would again request Dr. Pandey to come forward and felicitate Dr. Pareen Somani, a beautiful and dynamic lady here. She is the director, London Organization of Skill Development. Going forward, I would request Dr. Abhishek Pandey to come up on stage and felicitate Ms. Sion D. Chung, President IKBCC, Indo-Korea Business Cultural Center, and ma'am is Academic Advisor MSU USA, that's Maryland State University. Thank you so much, Dr. Pandey. Going forward, I would request Dr. Dinesh Pandey, founder Indian Research Forum, to come forward for the felicitation of Dr. P.K. Rajput. Sir is former Senior Vice President, Cadila Pharma Limited. Sir is also Senate member of Maryland State University, United States. I request Mr. Sunish Pandey to come forward to felicitate our guest. Sir is the manager, Indian Research Forum. Okay, so sir is coming in some while. I would request Mr. Manish Gupta ji to come forward to felicitate our esteemed guest, Dr. Mehran Lahuti. Dr. Mehran Lahuti is Senate member of To felicitate our esteemed guest, Dr. Manju Gupta, I request Mr. Sunish Pandey, Manager, Indian Research Forum, to come forward for the felicitation of ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing the event. Dr. Manju Gupta is Director Strategic Management, Mangalmay Group of Institutions, and she is the Senate member of HRU, Germany. I request Mr. Kamal Vadhvaji to come forward to felicitate. I would request Mr. Manish Gupta ji to come forward to felicitate Ms. Anita Chauhan. Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing the event. Ms. Anita Chauhan is National Director, Indian Society of Training and Development. She is also the Senate member, HIU, Germany. I would like to invite Dr. Dinesh Pandey ji to come forward to felicitate Ms. Ma'am is the academic advisor to HIU, Germany. Congratulations, all of you, as we have the presence of the wonderful academicians, researchers. I would like to invite Mr. Sunish Pandey ji, the manager with Indian Research Forum, to felicitate our esteemed guest, Huda Alil. Huda ji is the Senate member of MSU, USA. Thank you so much. I would request all our esteemed guests to please take your seats. I would request Dr. Pandey to felicitate our very beautiful, dynamic academician, Dr. Jyotsna Pandit, to come forward. Dr. Pandey, please felicitate ma'am as she graced the event with her gracious presence. A great round of applause to the dynamic academician under whose guidance a lot of kids, learners have been growing. Thank you so much, ma'am, for praising the event. Now, as we move forward, I request all of you to please settle down a bit more, because now is the time when we are initiating the event.